Do you notice something similar about these words? Hombre, hacer, hablar, huevo, and hijo. If you guessed that it has to do with the pronunciation of the letter H, you're absolutely right. In Spanish, the H is completely silent. That's right, you don't pronounce it at all. And today, we're going to take a look at why the silent H exists, some examples of the silent H, its proper placement, and exceptions to the rule. But before we get started, why not sign up for BaseLang? For a flat rate, you get unlimited access to native Spanish teachers online who can help you with the silent H and any other aspect of the language. It's just $1 for your first week. Check out the link in the description below. So why does the Spanish language have a silent H? Well, a lot of Spanish words have their roots in Latin and Greek, where the letter H had a more audible pronunciation. As the language evolved over time, the H in Spanish became silent. You might wonder then, what's the point of having a silent H? Here's the thing. Even though the H is silent, it still helps us understand where the word came from. The letter shows us the roots of the Spanish language. Now that you know why the silent H exists, let's take a look at some examples. Have you ever heard of hospital? Yep, that's right. It starts with a silent H. And what about héroe, hero, and honesto, honest? They start with the silent H too. Here are other examples that you might use in your day-to-day conversations. Huevo, egg. Hola, hello, hablar, to speak, hogar, home, and hermoso or hermosa, beautiful. The silent H can be placed at the beginning or in the middle of a word. Let's look at some examples. Humo, smoke, and hierro, iron, are examples of the silent H at the beginning. Words like ahora, now, or albahaca, basil, they have a silent H right in the middle. Now, while most of the time the H stays quiet, there are a few contexts where it's not silent. The main one is when we have the letters CH together. For example, the word chisme, gossip, starts with the same CH sound as in the English word challenge. Here are some more examples. Chico and chica, boy and girl. La cancha de tenis, tennis court. El chicle, chewing gum. Important exceptions are words taken from another language since they're usually pronounced the same way as in their original language. So words like hobby, hockey, hamster, and hacker should sound the same as you know them in English. There you have it. Being familiar with the silent H in Spanish can help you pronounce and write better in Spanish. Now, you'll just need to practice it. And what better way to practice than to schedule your first BaseLang class today? At baselang.com, you get access to unlimited one-on-one Spanish classes with native speaking teachers. Your first week is just $1. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye.